We can subscribe to AskSalah from here. Choose the plan it's suitable for you, basic plan or premium, monthly or yearly. After subscribing, we will go to there. We can use the sessions from this button. Read more, you can see the video contain information about the session. You can start the session, text or voice. It depends on your package. From there, you can see the live transcript of the session. From this button, you can pause the session and resume it within 24 hours. From there, you can end the session. After ending session, we can download summary of that session, or we can do it later. You can review your session. From this icon, we can see the session that we have done, and you can download the summary of the session. Download PDF again.